I had my CAT examination in the afternoon slot. So in order to be calm, firstly I slept a lot. I had a good night's sleep. I woke up a bit late, and I made sure not to check my phone and not to get any updates on how the slot one went, because I wanted to enter the examination with zero preconceived notion, and that actually helped me maintain my calm.
I gave the CAT paper just like any other mock test. Also, whenever I used to feel the performance pressure coming in, I used to take deep breaths, and I also didn't think about how I'm going to perform. I just gave my best.
On the day of the exam, I knew I had worked hard for the past 1 year, so the faith I had on my preparation and my self confidence is the thing that helped me keep my calm on the D day.
The day before CAT, I primarily focused on getting myself mentally ready. So I ate well and I slept well. I did some math revision. I did some DLR questions to just be ready for the exam. But I didn't do any hardcore revision or anything. Just mentally prepare yourself, and that should be fine.
I spent a couple of hours revising all the basic concepts and formulas. After that was done, I just took a break and chilled out without thinking much about the exam for the rest of the day. I slept on time and ate right to stay alert in the exam.
On the previous day of the CAT, I probably revised my formulas twice, once in the morning and once in the evening. Apart from that, I made sure to have all my favorite foods throughout my breakfast, lunch and dinner. And I went to sleep at the perfect time so that I could have a good night's sleep and wake up absolutely fresh to give my CAT the next day.
So be confident and have faith in your preparation. You have worked quite hard, and everybody else is in the same boat as you. They'll be facing the same paper as you do. Do not get overwhelmed by one or two difficult questions. Make sure that you look at everything and then attempt the paper.
My last minute advice will be not to think much about the exam, just to think it as a bridge between your dream and you. You just need to get across, and I'm sure you will get across. Just remain motivated and remain composed, calm and positive. That's the only thing which will help. You need to just believe in whatever you have put on, the efforts you have made in the last few months. That will help. Just believe in yourself.
My tip to the candidates this time is to devise a foolproof 2-hour exam taking strategy if you already haven't. CAT is full of surprises and you may never know what can come your way this time. So have a foolproof strategy, have a fallback plan in it, and stick to it in the final day. Wish you all the best and good luck for exam.